But like, this is what I'm about to do right now. I'm gonna go buzz the camp, cause yeah, you know, I just wanna fly. Looks good out there. Watch and learn. Oh, my sunglasses. Dude, I almost left my sunglasses with me.
Thank you for giving me your time to listen. They love to judge you, but we're human, man, we ain't no different. These governments will say it's fair when they know it isn't. I'm Lewis Hamilton with lap times, trying to keep my distance. See the crowd, it's got me wishing I was there with you guys. Music industry is just a library of lies. Fool me once and that's enough, man, you ain't getting me twice. Stand my ground and say my stuff, I look 'em dead in the eyes.